Okay, today we're making leftovers and we're making breakfast. We've got turkey with butter. We got homemade stuffing with butter in it, and we're frying it for right now. And we're going to make potato cakes, all leftovers. Got leftover mashed potatoes. That looks like about a cup. You hear the train a blowing. Okay, let's add a little bit of flour. That's 1/4 of a cup. And we're going to add onions. Cut up however many you want. This just had butter on it. Leftover mashed potatoes with sour cream in them. And milk and butter. That's all they got in them. And they've got the peelings. Sorry about the train. Okay. Let's get some breadcrumbs. One-fourth of a cup of breadcrumbs. Some pepper. We're going to get some milk here in a minute to revive it. You can use water if you don't got milk. Let me go get it right quick. Now this is a different potato recipe than we done the other day on our Thanksgiving. About 3 teaspoons full or 3 tablespoons full, either one. We just want it wet. Or we could shape them. That's all we want. Okay. Let's get a handful and see if we got enough to shape it. Yeah, we do. And it feels about right. You can fry these about 5 minutes on each side. You can fry them in butter or lard or grease, either one, whatever you want to use. It's your choice. Now they have to be left over. They can't be fresh when you make these. Now if you want to freeze these for a little while before you cook them, you can go ahead and do that for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now I gotta wash my hands and I'll be right back with you. Okay, we got our stuffing frying. We got our turkey frying in butter. We got our stuffing frying in butter. Remember, that's that fresh sage that we put in this, and we fried it. This is all leftovers, nothing new. Now we're going to add a little bit of water to our turkey. Some pepper. Add pepper to our stuffing. Here's our potato cakes. Now we got to fry them. As soon as the grease gets warm and hot, we'll be right back with you. In our pan, we're going to put a little bit of butter and let it melt in there too. That'll keep the cakes browning. That's not margarine, that's butter. Real butter. Okay, looks like it's ready to go in the pan. There's our breakfast. Now when they get done, I'll show you what it looks like. Be careful. If it falls apart, it's okay. You can still eat it. It ain't going to matter. Cook it till it's golden brown on each side. That's all you have to do. About 10 minutes. 5 on each side. Just enough to warm it up a little bit. If you ain't never had fried stuffing, you don't know what you're missing. Thank you, 209 subscribers. I thank you for everything that you do for me. Thanks for watching the videos. Please comment and share because I don't get no comments but from one person. And I would like to read comments on how you would like my food or what you think I can do to improve them. I like to hear that. Also, the comments lets YouTube know that you like my content. 5 minutes on each side is about all you need. Some of them will be darker than the other ones. It ain't going to hurt it. We like ours dark. And then we're going to put butter on top of them when we get ready to serve them. Little brownness ain't going to hurt nobody. Just don't burn them. Everything's about to come together. I told you this is a quick day. This is all leftover Thanksgiving leftovers. Y'all need to try this. But please leave me comments and either give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, or it don't matter, as long as you do it. Subscribe if you've not already. Tell me how you think I'm doing. But I will not be putting up with no rudeness on my channel at all. I'm here to help everybody learn how to cook, not to be mistreated or mistreat anybody else. I won't put up with that or stand for that. So if you're here for that, you can leave my channel now. I will not put up with no rudeness, no putting people down, not putting people on my channel down. I will not have that at all. If I have that, I will blank off the comments. That way you can watch it and be glad to watch it if you want to watch it, but I will not put up with none of that. If I have to, I'll turn the comments off. Everything's done. We just need to add the pack of turkey gravy to it. Okay, add your turkey gravy to your turkey. Or make it homemade, either one. Okay, we're going to turn it all off and we're done. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Please come back again. Leave a comment, like a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Letting YouTube know that you've been watching my channel would be appreciated. And watch the video all the way through. Thanks for watching. You can also find me on Facebook at Tawynia Marie Fugate or TikTok. Thanks for watching. Bye.